in here, we're going to have a little fun with some pop and some Mentos. I'm gonna do a little demonstration to show what happens when you add some Mentos to some soda. Have you ever opened soda before? If you open it, it makes a psh sound. And what that sound is the carbon dioxide, which is inside every bottle of pop. So the carbon dioxide comes to the surface and it bubbles. Now, if you add something to something with carbon dioxide in it, say you put a raisin in a cup of some soda, some bubbles will form because the carbon dioxide is released from the liquid, from the soda, and it rushes to the top. So if I use something like Mentos, they're a little heavy, and if you look at a Mentos candy, it looks like it's smooth, but it actually has little bumps on it. So it's twofold. It's a little heavy, so the Mentos are gonna fall down to the bottom of the soda and help push the liquid out. But plus, because it's got little bumps on it, that's gonna help draw the carbon dioxide out of the liquid and onto the Mento, which is gonna cause a geyser, which is a big spout of stuff that is gonna come out of this bottle of soda, which is why I'm wearing a parka, because I don't wanna get covered with liquid. I just might though. So why am I using diet soda? Well, if you use diet soda, it's not as sticky as regular soda, but you can use regular soda or diet soda, it doesn't matter. You just might get a little less sticky if you go with the diet. So how am I gonna get the Mentos into the soda? Well, let me first open it. Let's see if we can hear the psh of the carbon dioxide coming to the top. Oh, I heard it. All right, so we wanna drop a bunch of Mentos into this bottle. Now, you could use something like a test tube, but most people don't have test tubes at their house. But scientists use test tubes. You can make your very own little cylinder. I made this. I actually used a paper plate. I just cut the circle from the paper plate and then cut like a little rectangle from there. And then I used a glue stick, roll it around to get my cylinder, my tube, and then I added a little tape. So I ended up with a tube. So if I stack them all in there, then I can drop them in and it will happen quickly. So I'm gonna have a little card here, like a playing card. I'm gonna put my tube right on there. I'm gonna add my Mentos. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I heard 7's the magic number. I'll put one more in there just in case. All right, so I'm gonna get it all lined up on top. Do you think I should put my hood on? I might. I just might, because I don't know what's gonna happen. All right. All right, so I have it lined up. Let me make sure. And then I'm gonna pull the card away. The Mentos are gonna fall into the bottle, and hopefully the carbon dioxide is gonna shoot right up. Ready? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, go! Ah! Oh my goodness, look at that! Wow, that was just amazing. Now, I have another bottle here. My Mentos got wet, so I don't know how, oh, I got more. Okay, so I have something else here called, you can buy this at a hobby store, a geyser tube. We're gonna see if that makes it shoot up even straighter. I'm gonna get another bottle here. This time we'll try Diet Coke. Let's see how it goes. All right. So I guess what you do is take the lid off. I heard the carbon dioxide for sure. So you screw this on. Take the top off. Okay. Now, I didn't really show you very closely, but there's something that I can pull to release it. So I'm gonna load the Mentos first. opening up a new one. I guess I should have moved the Mentos before I did the last demonstration. Let's count, see if it's 7's the magic number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I think it's 6. I don't think we can add another one. Or should I? No. Okay, put it on. All right. Now because there's a little hole at the top of this, it might direct it more straight up so it goes higher. We'll find out. So at the count of 3, I'm gonna pull the lever and keep a close eye to see what happens. See if it goes higher than our last one. 1, 2, 3, go! Look at that! Amazing! Who knew you could have so much fun with just some pop and a little Mentos, all with the help of carbon dioxide? All right, I had a great time with you, and we'll see you next time.